Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am not wearing earrings for a reason. Well, today I am gonna review and unbox my new Juste Clou Cartier hooks earrings. From the very first second I tried them on at the Cartier boutique, I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, I love these earrings. I'm gonna get them one day. I received it by mail because I don't have a Cartier boutique in my state. I live in North Carolina, and the closest Cartier boutique will be in the DC, which is about 4 hours driving from where I live. And here I got it. So it arrived yesterday. It took about 1 week from once the order was applied to receive these earrings by mail, and we're gonna unbox them together. Yeah, so this is how it's arrived from the e-boutique. You are getting the Cartier bag, and here is the box right here. Ooh. Well, let's unbox it. Ta-da! Okay. Here it is. They're so pretty. All right, let's try these on. Ta-da! And let's try the second one. And this is how they look like on the body. Isn't it pretty? I'm so very excited about these earrings. I am so very happy to get them. It was my birthday and I bought these earrings for myself as my birthday gift. I was honestly choosing between these, the ones with the diamonds, and the ones that coming in a white gold, like, you know, fully like iced with diamonds. And I choose these because I'm poor. I can't afford others. I'm just kidding. I said, let's start simple, and if I will see that I'm wearing these earrings every single day, that I'm so in love with them, that I love them so very much, I might upgrade and get the ones with the diamonds, or maybe one day even the iced ones, you know, when it's full diamonds all around the earring. So I'm honestly so very excited about these earrings. That's something that I wanted for a long time, and I was aiming to buy these for a year. And I'm so very happy that I finally got it. So these are the hook earrings, the Juste Clou by Cartier. They feels lightweight, they don't feel heavy, and I cannot handle heavy earrings because I just feel like it's taking down my ear and it's painful for me. I can't 100% cannot wear heavy earrings. I can only wear light earrings, and this is what I loved about these so much. Classy, gentle, they aren't screaming anything, they're not trying to say anything, they're just like a daily, like everyday earrings. The original price I think is $5,350, and after tax, since the shipping was to North Carolina, so my state tax I think it's about 5%, so final price for me was $5,700 plus some change. This is how much I paid for these earrings, and yeah, I think it's a perfect birthday gift for me, from me, and I'm extra excited about these earrings. They are, as I said before, just classy, quiet, stylish, gorgeous, fashionable. This can go with any type of an outfit. I feel like this will go amazing with a cocktail dress, with an evening dress, for, like, you know, a wedding. You can wear these to your own wedding or to someone else's wedding, as well as this will go very well with like a sport wear outfit as well. So I feel like these earrings can be worn for any type of occasion and for any type of situation. They still will be relevant. They still will look classy, gorgeous, quiet, you know, and like just a gorgeous piece of jewelry for every single day using. I absolutely love them. I'm so very excited. Well guys, please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Let me know what do you think, and thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all for today, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.